What's up everybody? Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video here. I just got the Mavic 2 Pro. I got the Zoom version. I just came over here to this U-Haul while we're doing our audit and I figured maybe I would just do a quick video on the drone itself. I'm really liking the drone. It is extremely quiet. It's really fast and the camera on it is amazing, and it's got a little bit of an optical zoom on there too. So it helps you to really kind of zoom in on some things that you otherwise may not have been able to get really uptight and a good close crisp shot. Anyways, I'm gonna break it out and take it for a test flight. So this thing, the new Mavic Pro 2 Zoom, is an awesome drone, guys. This thing flies super fast. I think the top speed is like 44 miles an hour. We can take it up to 400 feet. Super awesome drone for the price. The controller basically takes an iPhone or your Android device and plugs into your phone and then adapts to it. That way you can see everything that the drone is seeing, and you're flying it using these simple joysticks here. So up and down, left and right. And then rotate. You also have controller inputs here on the top part of the control that allow you to pan the camera up and down, as well as a zoom function. So first impressions of this drone are amazing. Very quiet, and like I said, it's very fast, very nimble, very responsive. Yeah, I'm in love with this thing. I can't wait to see what the footage looks like. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe it. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. Like the video, obviously like it. And that's it, guys. Thanks.